Satan kendiat benai shen ke sorkar jela kan sa Pynmadan no ya ka Ieng sorkar ke Brightstarwell Bungalow syaka Jaka Ieng kali. Kani ke Ieng sorkar ke don habarik marsenda ke panong light pang. Kat kum ke jingong menteri rangba kuan rat ki sangma hakani ke Jaka en nyam kumba ar nelai spa ateli ki kali ban Ieng bat kan yarap ban light na ke jing sakut kali hathain Pynmadan barik IGP andala dep ban shnayaka.
Comprehensive plan to maximize the utility of the land and the government space that we have in the city. Another example is the Brightstarwell Bungalow, which is right behind me. As you're aware that this is again in a very strategic location and heart of the city, and our intention is to convert this area without disturbing the trees out here. There's enough open space. We clear it up and convert this into a parking lot and work towards how we could keep the bungalow and convert that also into something of a public utility where tourists maybe can come in and different utilities can be given to the people. So in a location like this, if we have a parking lot out here which could accommodate close to about 200 to 300 vehicles, so entire congestion around here, Pynmadan School, the Secretariat, the Sosotham and other offices which are around here, the parking can be in this place rather than on the roads, which ultimately leads to the congestion that we have. So this is again one part, and we expect that in this area also in about a matter of few months we should be able to start the work to flatten this place and create this into a parking space, so that we'll have more space for the for cars to park, and which will lead further to the decongestion of our city.